Let's talk about the hardest part of content creation. You spend so much time and effort into your videos, but in return, you don't get views. This is the most discouraging part of the journey. I know that feeling very good because I am creating content since 2019 on my other YouTube channel. And especially in the early days, no one was watching my videos. But I still decided to keep going, and over time my channel started to grow and gain almost 20,000 subscribers. Later I decided to change my niche, and now I am here to help beginner content creators. So let's talk about the most common reason why you are not getting views, and then we will talk about how to shift your mindset from, oh, I don't get any views and this is not working, to how can I become better? So why you are not getting views? When you are new, the algorithm doesn't know you yet and who to send your videos to. It is actually the same on every social media platform. You don't have an audience, there is no one to support you. Also, your content and your content creation skills are developing, so your content quality is not there yet. And these are just some reasons why your views are so low. This is the exact point where 90% of the creators lose their motivation and quit. Just a small group of people keep going no matter what. And if you are one of them, congratulations. But still, over time, when you don't get the results, you will lose your motivation. So at this point, we need to change our mindset. I know it's hard to do, but don't focus that much on the view count. Instead, ask yourself this question. How can I improve my skills? Questions like, is my video idea interesting? Is my pacing good? Is my content easier to understand? Questions like this will help you to create better content. These improvements matter way more than your view count. Think like this, views are the result, your skills are the cause. But your skills is not the only cause. Another reason why most beginners quit is because the process of creating content feels way too long and also very exhausting. So instead of worrying the low view count, you can focus on improving your workflow. Try to create a small weekly routine that you can easily follow, because when creating content becomes easier, your consistency will improve. And with more consistency, you will eventually start getting better results. And finally, trust in yourself and trust the process. At some point of this journey, you will become better and your content will become also better. Then good results will follow. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me if you are a beginner creator.